going on there, YouTube? It's your boy Super Swaggart here, and I got two little cold starts for you. One is on my 2006 UM 250cc cruiser, and one is on the 2003 Harley Davidson Dyna Wide Glide. So I guess we'll fire it up first here. Don't mind the mess. Sorry, guys. Let's see here. Here, we'll get one of the, well, I don't really know where the fuck to put it. Never mind, we'll just... Alright, I'm going to show you here how this works here. This right here, ignition, accessory, off. We want it on ignition. This is the rare blue and silver edition one. Let's see here. I know the light's going to be shitty, but right here that my hand is on, right here, this is the choke. Okay, pull that out. Got your neutral lights, and has a 13,613 miles on it. Your off and on cutoff switch is right there, so we'll put that on. Your blinkers are on the corners, your high beams and your low beams, and your horn. So let's give her a fire up here. I know it's not going to smoke, but hey, you never know. Alright, well there goes that one. I guess we'll do a start up here of my United Motors piece of shit. Whatever the fuck this thing is. Yeah, I don't know. It's given to me as a gift, so hey, free, my friend, is free. Sorry for the view. I will get a better view in a second as soon as I get a run in here. This motorcycle right here is pretty self-explanatory on what it does. It's all labeled, unlike that motorcycle Harley there. So there you go. Neutral, yeah, neutral light is supposed to be on. There you go. Alright, so right here is your choke. I'm gonna see what happens when I'll start with the choke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No choke. Alright, so just for your viewing pleasures, I know it's dark outside, and I know you're probably not going to be able to see it, but what we'll do now is we'll go out here to my John Deere, and it's about 43, 44 degrees outside here, and we'll start it up here. You're not going to be able to see it, but I'll try my best to get y'all some light here so you can see it. No choke right there, it has 111 miles on it, and let's fire it up real quick. No choke. Even though it's 40-some degrees, and I really like this lawnmower a lot. wanting to do it over with no choke. I'll just oh yeah, it's running like fuck you. Alright. There y'all go. Swaggered's family cold starts. There y'all go. Now Mark is still working on a project here, so I know it's dark in my garage, blah blah. Fuck yeah. It's 14.5 horsepower overhead valve. I quit. Gonna put different pulleys on there. It's got a 7-speed tranny in it. And yeah, that concludes it all. Thanks.